in the afternoon.
It really does get pretty warm, especially over the weekend. We were at the Pear Blossom Parade. It was almost hot at times, actually. Exactly. Well, right now we're seeing that sunshine out there, partly cloudy at the coast. We also are seeing some areas of fog at the coast that might impact your morning commute, but we will also see clearing. Temperatures in the basin right now in the 30s. And as we head into the day today, temperatures will be warming very quickly. By noon, we're already back into the 60s for our west side valleys and near 80 degrees once again as we head into the afternoon hours. But a cold front is going to be moving through as we head into this afternoon and evening. That's going to bring increased clouds and wind as we head into this afternoon and evening. But we should still see pretty good conditions for our total lunar eclipse tonight. It will begin right around 10 o'clock tonight, and all of North America actually has perfect viewing for it. And the good news is we almost also have a full moon out there, so we will get the full effect of an eclipse. The full eclipse actually happens right around midnight, and you'll have about 40 minutes to actually view the full eclipse. And then the totality, so the entire eclipse, if you will, ends at almost 1:30 in the morning, and then by 2:30 you might see a little bit of fringe, and then that'll go away. So you can find more details of this on our website if you wanted to share it. We have that on our Facebook page as well. Very interesting, very exciting for that tonight, but we will see a few more clouds. However, I do think most areas will see prime viewing conditions, mostly clear to partly cloudy skies. The cloudiest spots will be at in the Douglas County area, the Coos County coast, as well as in the northern Cascades. Thanks to this cold front, couldn't time it out just a little bit later. It is going to be moving in as we head into the time that we're going to be seeing this eclipse. So when we put the Stormcast into play, watching this cold front approach, most of the activity is going to be to our north, but it's a pretty weak front that's moving through. There is a slight chance for very light, isolated showers in the areas I was mentioning before. Douglas County, Coos County. The best chance will be in the northern Cascades, but any showers are going to be light. We're talking about maybe a couple hundredths of an inch, if that, maybe a trace. But most areas will be completely dry as we head into the overnight hours. That passes through. Then as we head into Tuesday afternoon, temperatures will be about 10 degrees cooler than what we saw actually what we're going to see today. Some areas will almost be 20 degrees colder than what we saw over the weekend. And then we're going to be dry as we head into Wednesday, and then another cold front's going to bring our next chance for showers, actually as we head into Thursday afternoon. Activity before that will stay north of us. At the coast for today, temperatures in Brookings will be several degrees cooler, about 10 degrees cooler in fact compared to yesterday, because we will be ending that Chetco effect. In Northern California, in the mid-70s along the I-5 corridor, in the low to mid-80s further to the west, and a nice little breeze in the afternoon. In the basin, I know it's chilly right now, but by the afternoon, temperatures will once again be flirting with 70 degrees for many areas. And in our mountains, quite a spread, 40s to 60s to 70s, just depending on your elevation. And a breeze in the afternoon might make it feel a little chilly at Crater Lake today, but most areas it should be fairly nice for the Rogue Valley. Also, a breeze in the afternoon. We'll see a few more clouds later this afternoon and evening. Temperatures once again in the mid to upper 70s. At the coast, morning fog will return as we head into tomorrow. Temperatures staying in the 60s through the week. Chance for showers as we head into Thursday afternoon. Northern California will see a few isolated showers mainly in the evening as we get into Thursday. Temperatures drop about 10 degrees from this afternoon to tomorrow afternoon. Very similar to the basin as well, but still pretty mild, staying in the 60s. We'll see showers move in Thursday evening. The mountains will see them Thursday afternoon. Slight chance for an overnight shower tonight into tomorrow morning, but most areas, as I was mentioning, will be dry. And for the Rogue Valley, we'll see temperatures cooler for the rest of the work week. But as we head into Easter weekend, it's going to be nice. It's going to be warm again. We'll see a few more clouds out there, so that'll help out. I know a lot of kids are going to be running around doing Easter egg hunts, so wear the sunscreen, but we won't have to worry as much sun as what we saw this past weekend.